Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more credit information. Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you a video on how you can get up to a $50,000 loan from Bestegg. Now you can do so with a soft pull pre-approval and you can receive the loan the next business day. Now, if you're new to my channel, I bring you information to help you along in your credit journey. I am credit education and we are not credit repair on this channel. So if you like that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel and do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up. Now, Bestegg is a company that have a number of financial products. They also offer personal loans and they do work with a number of lenders. Now, with their personal loans, you can see if you qualify and check your rate with a soft pull pre-approval. So it would let you know what your projected interest rate will be and how much of a loan that you will qualify for. Now, the way the pre-approval process works, it is not a guarantee, but what it does, it sees if you fit in the customer base that they are looking for. And the good thing about Bestegg, they do approve credit scores as low as a 600 credit score. So with that, you can see if you're going to fit into the customer base that they're looking for and what would be your projected interest rate. But it is not guaranteed. You will have to process an application and they will have to pull your credit report and it will result in a hard inquiry in order for you to process the application and receive the loan. But the pre-approval process will give you heads up if you do not fit in their credit profile of what you are or they are looking for in a customer. So that is a great opportunity to do this if you're looking for a loan. Some people are looking for loans for various reasons. And with this company, you will, once you apply, have to put down the reason why you're looking for the loan. So they do have various options and reasons for why you would need this loan and what will fit your needs. So it could be for debt consolidation, it could be for credit card refinance and home improvements, moving expenses, travel expenses, major purchases, special occasions, and baby and adoption, where you may need to take this loan out. Now, I'm going to give you guys some data points to improve your chances of qualifying for this loan. With this company, as I already said, they accept all the way down to a 600 credit score, which is a lower credit score in order for you to be approved. And they do use TransUnion. So you want to make sure that you are at or above a 600 credit score on your TransUnion credit report profile. So that's going to be one data point that you want to make sure that you clear. They also are looking for your debt to income ratio if you do not own a home to be around 40% or better. So debt to income ratio is how much debt versus your income. So they don't want your debt to take up more than 40% of your income. So you want your debt to be at 40% or below in order to qualify. Now, if you're a person that own a home, they will allow 65% with a mortgage of debt to income. So just make sure you review your credit reports and do that calculation with your debt, because that's going to be part of the data that they're going to look at in order to qualify you for this loan. They will need proof of income. So when it comes to proof of income, make sure you add all of your income, even income you might not even think about, like alimony, child support. If you're a person that's of a certain age and you're working, but you also receive social social security benefits, you want to add all your income in. To, if you're a person that have investment property, add all your income in, that you'll be able to qualify for the loan. Some of the requirements is you have to be over the age of 18. You must have a US based address and a social security number. So you're going to most likely have to be an American citizen to have a social security number, and you're going to have a US address. Now, they do have fees, which different loan companies do or do not have some particular fees, but with Bestegg, they do have an origination fee of 0.99% to 8.99%. And the origination fee is for you just taking out the loan. They will charge you a fee, and it will be a particular interest rate. And that interest rate will be from 0.99% all the way to 8.99%, but that will be dictated off of your credit score. Now, they do have certain states they do not work in. Those states are Iowa, Vermont, West Virginia, and Washington, D.C. So if you reside in those states, you will not be able to take a loan with this company, but the vast majority of states, you will be able to qualify for a loan. Now, their terms are from 3 to 5 years for repayment, and their loans are a minimum loan of $2,000 all the way up to $50,000. Now, if you're a person that qualified for $8,000 to $10,000, they'll give you the option to choose which one. So you might not need the whole $10,000. So you might just take the $8,000 loan. And so you will just have to show your proof of income, and they will be able to fund your loan as little as 1 business day through up to 3 business days. So if you're a person that is looking for a personal loan, those are the data points for Bestegg. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section or go to my website. It's always in the link in the description of the video, and I will put it in the pinned comment section where you can ask me your questions personally, and they go directly to my cell phone. But if you're looking to apply for this loan and you want to just see if you pre-approve for the loan, I will leave the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment section. So I hope to see you guys in the next video.